What's up everyone? In this quick video I'm going to show you how to browse with your PC using Bluetooth. So this option is Bluetooth tethering, which is available on most of the Android devices. To set this up, you go to your settings, go to connections, mobile hotspot and tethering. Here you will see Bluetooth tethering. Share your phone's internet connection using Bluetooth. Turn this on. This will automatically turn on your Bluetooth. Now I'm going to show you how it is done on PC. Okay, once you have turned on Bluetooth tethering on your Android device, the next thing to do is to connect your laptop Bluetooth to your Android device. Turn on your Bluetooth on your PC. Go to settings. Click on add device. Select the first option, Bluetooth. You're going to see your phone here. Click to pair. You will get a notification on your Android to pair. Also click on connect. You can see here Galaxy S20 FE paired. Now the third option is to go to control panel. Go to hardware and sound, device and printers, or you click on the tab right here. Click on dash and select device and printers. Now you're going to see your Android device listed here. Right click on it, connect using access point. Click on access point and wait for it. Connected. Connection successful. Close it. You're going to wait for it right here. You can see it here. We now have internet access. Now let's check if it's going to work. Launch Chrome. Now you can use your Bluetooth and browse the internet without your Wi-Fi. This is how you do it on Windows 11. That'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.